Hi everybody, Lindabradley here from Princess House. I'm so excited to show you our new Vida air fryer. I've been waiting for the company to come out with something like this for a long time. It has so many benefits, and especially now that it's summertime, it doesn't heat up your kitchen. You're going to find that it has a non-stick basket. So that is awesome in regards to cleaning it, all right? It's a breeze. Both of these pieces are non-stick inside. It is a breeze to clean, and it's a nice large basket. So today I'm going to teach you how I make baked potatoes in the air fryer. And again, it doesn't heat up your whole kitchen, and it's done in about 40 minutes. So the first thing you're going to do is to lightly spray your baked potatoes with oil, and just mix it around on both sides. Well, there's more than two sides. And then I just have some garlic, right, and salt. You can use kosher salt, or what's the other kind of salt? Sea salt. And then just use your hands. It gets a little bit messy, but you just want to rub it in. Obviously, I should have told you that you should wash your potatoes first. You don't need to prick them, with forks or anything. You're just going to put them in at 400 degrees, and it's going to go for 40 minutes. And I will tell you to turn them once in the middle. So it depends on how big your potatoes are. These are pretty big, if you can see, so they might take a little bit longer, but that's okay. So we're going to just go ahead and put them in the air fryer. So excited for this, because after this recipe, then I'm going to show you an awesome recipe that is potato skins. So we're just going to put it on. We're going to turn it up to 400 degrees, and I'm going to put it in for 20 minutes because I'm going to turn it halfway. All right, and that's it. All right, here we are, the finished result. So depending on how big your potato is, depends on how long you need to keep them in here. But I think that these are perfect. These are rather large. So let me see. They're nice and crispy on the outside, which is what I like. And, I like that crunch. I think they're going to be perfect. Oh, see that steam coming up? Can you see? Look at it. This is perfect. 40 minutes. Oh, perfect inside too. Yes. So baked potatoes in the air fryer, doesn't heat up your kitchen, and 40 minutes, you have it. Lindabradley at myprincesshouse.com.